Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm so excited to share the latest release from Scrap Diva Design. This release will be available on October 5th and I will share all of the dies because I think I got them all in this video, and then I will be back later on all weeks this month with some content. And I will also share with you a code down below. If you use my code, you will also get 10% off your purchase. That is really excited to have my own sort of coupon code to give out. So I'm excited about that and I hope you will enjoy it and take advantage of it. I also want to mention that it's an affiliate code, so if you purchase something when you have clicked my link, there will be no extra cost to you, but I will earn a little bit of a commission. So that will be nice and helpful for helping my channel to grow and also to make me continue to come out with this content. So I will just put this aside and I will share the stamps. So this stamp set is a photopolymer stamp set, and that means that it's really high quality. And I would say that the companies that I usually use always use photopolymer, so this is a really heavy and good quality of a stamp. So you will actually feel the difference when you are using them. They will stamp so crisp and beautiful. And we have all of these amazing sentiments. So we have Hello Pumpkin, and you have your little pumpkin, welcome fall, pumpkin spice everything, sweet weather. Sweater weather, I can't read. Blessed, grateful, fall vibes, hello fall, autumn vibes, farm fresh pumpkins. Oh, that is cute with small hearts. So that is a really nice set. Perfect to go along with all of the other things. So here we have this super cute, it's a mini album, I think. It's called Hedgehog Mini Album. And you can see how cute it is. You have your 3 layers here, and you have your face and some little bows and stuff to go along with it. Can't wait to play with this one. And I want to create a shaped cover with this one. By the way, have you seen the beautiful colors that we have on the dice this month? It's teal and just perfect for fall. I just love it. And then we have this cutie, and it's a new jelly bag. It's a fall jelly tote, and you have your acorns and your little holder, maybe so you can have them like hanging here, and you have your acorns in the side. That is just so cute. I will actually share an idea that I have for those ones in a second here. And then I have all of these. So these are 3 sizes of the same product. That is something I really like with Scrap Diva. She's coming out with a lot of the same, but in different sizes, and I really appreciate that. So this one is called Door Tag Small, Medium and Large. I think it's easier if I show you on this one. So you can see you have your base piece here, and you have your windows or your door, depending on how you're going to use it, and you have this fold, so you can have it like a pocket or a door that will open on your tag. I think that would be super cute. That is probably how it's meant to be used, by the way. And you can see here is a front, so you can have that on top of it, and then you have all of these different frames, so you can cut out and maybe create a shaker or something like that. And then you have the inside parts here, probably a little bit smaller, so you can layer those together. So that is a really cute set, and you can see it's the same idea for all of them, just in different sizes. So I will be back playing with those, I promise. This one is just so adorable. It's called Victorian Frames. And you can say you have your detail layer and your base piece, and then 2 different size frames. So this one you can create a shaker with, and this will be sort of the backing piece, I would think, for that one. So that is super cute. And then we have the Pumpkin Mini Album 2. I don't know if it's a number 1 or if a number 1 is gonna come, because I haven't looked at her website. So maybe there is a number 1. I could link it if I find it. But you can see it's a mini album and it's super cute. It has some spider. You can create a jack-o'-lantern maybe with that one. It's the top piece here, and you could probably cut all of these to layer in different heights so you get some dimension in the pumpkin. That is what I would do anyway. And you have these you can use for eyes for the jack-o'-lantern, and then you have your sort of swirls that you can cut out in different sizes. So super cute set. Can't wait to play with that one as well. And to go along with that one, look at this one. It's the Acorn mini album, and you can see you have a ton of leaves. It's more here, and it's a sentiment. I believe it says fall something. And then you have your upper part of your acorn and 3 layers, your base and 2 more. Super cute. Can't wait to play with them. And the leaves here, I know I'm gonna play with them so much. I just want to create a card with these 3 projects. I want to have the fall leaves in different shades, just doing some ink blending, having this beautiful frame with a sentiment inside on top of that. I think that would be super cute. Can't wait to do that. It's probably the first thing I'm gonna do. And then we have this one, and it's called Thanks Words number 2, and it's actually 3 dice. You can just see 2 on the front, and this one in the back here that I can't show you. And there is a lot of goodness here, because you can see there is this swirl, and there is an intricate die here, and then the backer piece for it. So it's so cute. And then we have Memory Box Pockets set. So this one is quite fun. I actually saw somebody creating with this already, and they used this and created, of course they created like a memory dex, but they also used it, and it was this pocket inside, and I think you can use it for a card. So that is what I am gonna try to do maybe, and see if how I can like incorporate that in creating a card with it. So we'll see how it turn out later on. And then we have this shaker bow die set number 1. That indicates that there will be maybe a number 2 in the future. I have no idea, just guessing here. But you can see you have 2 different sizes of this. Super cute, intricate. You can have your shaker bits all of the way, or you can just use it flat as an embellishment. I think that is really cute. And then you can't have too much flowers, right? So this is called Fantasy Flower. And you have 3 plates, so it's 2 in the back here, and it's 1 here. And you can see, probably you can see how cute it is on the top here of them. Can't wait to create all the flowers. I'm not a big fan of creating flowers, I have to say. I love having them on my projects, but I don't like creating them. It takes so much time. Please leave a comment down below if you have any good tips on how to make them go, the process of creating flowers to go fast, because I have none. And this is probably my favorite thing from the whole release. So this is this beautiful floral leafy frame, and it's an A2 card box die. Once upon a time, or actually I have it still in my stash, but Trinity Stamps released like a slimline one. It's very beautiful. Check that out if you haven't seen it as well. But this one, look at it. It's very, very beautiful. And I mean, that one from Trinity was one of my most used, not most used maybe, but it's one of my favorite that I have in my stash. And it's something I will hoard forever. And I think I will do the same with this one, because it's just beautiful. You can use this for whatever. And I love it. And you can see back here behind the sticker, there is some more leaves that you can use to create your project. So that is just nice to fill out this. So go check this one out. And also it coordinates with a previous released card box. So that is also nice. So go check those products out together. And we have 2 more products to go along. So this creates a double layer rosette. So you have this one, and then you have some fun thingies in the back that you can create a layer with. So I will share that also. I'm not a fan of hot glue, so I will see how I will like attach this rosette. Sometimes it's fine with just liquid glue. What I'm mostly using is the Nouveau Deluxe adhesive, which I love. This one is from the Sweet Petunia like glue press. But you can use the regular one as well. I just love that glue. It's my favorite, all-time favorite. And then the last product that I used or got in this release is the Acorn, and this one is called Acorn Shaker Die Set, and I think it's 2 sizes. Super sweet and perfect for decorating all of your albums that we got in this release. So I can't wait to start playing with all of these goodies. I hope you will be back and seeing what I'm creating this month. and use my coupon code if you like. And yeah, I see you soon. Bye!